Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upscale an image from 2K all the way to 16K with Upscale. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Upscale with a Y, you can see over here. And the first thing you need to do is, in actual fact, you need to download it from Chrome or whatever browser you're using. So go ahead, upscayl.org, and you can just download it on whichever device you are using. Now, once you have done that, you can go ahead, let's close this, and this is the downloaded app. So what we're going to do here on the left-hand side is we can do a batch upscale, which means you can grab a bunch of files at the same time. But quite simply, we are going to just do one for example's sake, and let us select our image. All right, we've got our image right over here, and the next step is to select the model. Okay, so once you click on here, you will see there are different models for different sort of use cases. So make sure that you go ahead, look through it, choose the correct model. Now, what you want to do here is, if you want to use the double upscale, this enables you to run any upscale operation twice on one single image. Okay, also we have our image scale. So obviously, you know, if it's a really bad resolution and you want it really massive, you can go ahead and turn this all the way up. But it will cause performance issues if you don't have a decent size machine. Then we need the default image path. So here you can see it's set by default at downloads, and that's great. Now, what we're going to do is, step 4, you can see it's going to upscale it from this resolution to that resolution. That's 4 times. Let's go and click on Upscale. All right, so now we have our image. You can actually see here that there is a slider, so you will be able to see the difference between the original image and the upscaled image.